Welcome to Motorsports Engineering, home of the UCLan race team. Here students operate a hands-on approach to the design, development and manufacture of a race car.
When I was looking at the different universities, UCLan was the only one that actually had a hands-on experience with the race team, and with future employers looking for experience, this is one of the key aspects of the course.
It's more hands-on as well. It's not like you're looking at spending the rest of your life sat in an office from 9 till 5. You're doing something exciting.
Drawing and computer-aided design provides the requirements of standards associated with modern engineering drawings.
Sort of step by step you learn all the bits that make up a race car, how it all comes together and what does what. And by the third year you're in a position where there is an optional project where you can design and build a race car from start to finish.
Race car anatomy provides a valuable insight into the design and manufacture of systems in a modern race car.
Basically, a couple of different modules. You've got obviously the theory-based ones where you've got to learn the physics behind everything, and then you've got the more hands-on ones where you've got to learn about, in race car anatomy, you learn about the different parts and how they build up a race car. And then you've got the workshop where you actually design and build parts using lathes and milling machines, and so it sets you up well for the industry.
As students develop, they will increasingly integrate the subject matter around successful and sensible technical manufacture.
I hadn't worked on cars before I came to work on these, so I had pretty much no experience, whereas now I've been out to work for a couple of other teams, and we've won trophies with them, smaller teams as well. So with no experience at all, within a year, 2 years, you could be out there running a car, literally from turning up at the track, maintaining it, fixing problems.
Motorsports Engineering also offers students a chance to be part of UCLan's highly successful and professionally run Formula Ford race team.
All the universities had their own individual things they had to offer, but no other university had the opportunity to get straight onto a race team in your first year. It's hard to get experience to get onto a race team, so to come to university and be able to get experience in your first year, it puts you sort of one step ahead.
Students have attended nearly every race in the North West Championship since 2001, competing against professional bodies of the racing world.
My favourite part of track days is actually being here, working on the cars, gaining experience for the future when I leave university.
My favourite part is seeing the car out on the track, knowing that you've contributed to putting it together. Even if you've not even done a lot, even if just a couple of bolts that you put on, you know that you've contributed to that car being out on the circuit.
Well, the racing car we'll be using at Anglesey, there's two of them. There's a Reynard 89 and a Van Diemen 95. They're both powered by the Ford 1600 Crossflow engine. But obviously, being the design they are, they carry sort of incredible speed through the corners, more than you would with a road car, really.
The team is well organised, everyone knows what they're doing when the car comes in, and there's enough people so you're not just standing about doing nothing. There's a job for everyone.
From our point of view, if the car goes out, the driver does everything they can, and if you don't have any mechanical problems, so you've done your job well, it all sort of comes together. That's probably the most satisfying part of it, knowing that you've done a good job.